Ever wondered what it's like to mold your imagination into something you can hold, shape, and display? Welcome to Ceramics, a hands-on course where you'll explore the world of clay through creativity, technique, and artistic discovery. In this course, you'll discover the properties and possibilities of clay. Learning to pinch, coil, carve, and throw as you bring your ideas into three-dimensional form. You'll get hands-on experience with tools and techniques from hand building to wheel throwing, through projects inspired by personal experiences, found objects, and even famous ceramic artists. This course encourages originality, experimentation, and a commitment to personal growth, making a space where every student can thrive. Throughout the course, you'll strengthen your understanding of visual language, learn to express ideas with form and texture, and build habits of patience, focus, and care. It's all about taking risks, embracing the process, and finding joy in the art of making. By the end of the course, you'll have a collection of meaningful ceramic works. Join Ceramics today and turn your ideas into objects that speak. Ceramics. Your hands, your vision, your play.